Capital One, how to load up your card like a boss, not actually. Ever stared down a mountain of takeout menus, stomach growling, only to realize your wallet's as empty as last night's dance floor? Been there. Done that. But what if you have a Capital One credit card tucked away, a beacon of hope amidst the financial wasteland? Can you just, pump some cash into that plastic life preserver? Hold on, credit card cowboys and cowgirls. Unlike a debit card, you can't directly add money to your Capital One credit card. Think of it like a loan, not a piggy bank. You use it, they let you borrow money, and then you pay them back, with interest, of course. But that doesn't mean you're stuck on a financial island. There are ways to strategically use your card and make it feel loaded, even if it technically isn't. Solution 1. Direct Deposit Power Up. Let's say you anticipate a cash flow surge coming your way, like a paycheck or a long-lost relative's inheritance. Hey, a man can dream. Why not set up a direct deposit to hit your linked checking account? This way, when the money arrives, you can make a payment towards your credit card balance, essentially adding funds. Bonus points. Capital One often offers rewards for setting up direct deposit, so you're getting paid to pay, kind of. Solution 2. Zelle to the rescue. Maybe you need a more immediate cash injection. A friend owes you for that concert last month, or you're selling some furniture online. If you, and the other person, have Zelle linked to your Capital One accounts, you can transfer money directly and quickly. Zap. Debt reduced, or at least, a buffer created. Just remember, Zelle transactions are typically instant, so be sure you're comfortable trusting the other party. Solution 3. The Strategic Transfer Shuffle. This one requires a little more finesse, but hear me out. Do you have another credit card with a balance transfer offer? If so, you could strategically transfer your Capital One balance to the new card, essentially buying yourself some breathing room and potentially a lower interest rate. This can be a good option if you're carrying a high balance on your Capital One card. Just be aware of any balance transfer fees and make sure you can pay off the new card within the introductory APR period, if applicable. Solution 4. Become a mobile deposit master. Let's say you just got a fat stack of cash from that yard sale or your grandma finally coughed up your birthday money. Instead of stashing it under your mattress, tempting, I know, consider using the magic of mobile deposit. If you have a Capital One checking account linked to your card, you can use the mobile app to snap a picture of the check and deposit it electronically. Faster than you can say Shazam, those funds are in your account, ready to be used to pay down your credit card. Solution 5. The Old-Fashioned ATM Ally. This might sound crazy in our digital age, but hear me out. If you have cash sitting around and a Capital One ATM nearby, you can make a deposit to your linked checking account. Again, it's not directly adding money to your card, but it essentially achieves the same result. Just remember, some banks, including Capital One, might charge fees for using ATMs outside their network. So, while you can't directly pump cash into your Capital One credit card like a gas station, there are plenty of strategic maneuvers to make it feel loaded. Direct deposit, Zelle, balance transfers, mobile deposits, and even trusty ATMs can all be your allies in the fight against credit card debt. Remember, using your credit card responsibly is key. Only spend what you can afford to pay back, and don't fall into the trap of maxing out your limit. With a little planning and these handy tips, your Capital One card can be your financial partner, not your overlord.